Why? Why? Good morning, guys. I feel like crap. I've been feeling like crap for like...
Hello.
Oh. You want to say hi?
I'm down here.
Okay. They will say hi. Come on. Up. Ready. 1, 2, 3, go. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Oh, yeah. It's so sweet. So... So, I feel like crap. I look like crap. Morning sickness kicked in at 6 weeks. Exactly 6 weeks. And everything smells bad. Everything tastes bad. Everything looks bad. Everything's bad. My house is a mess. Oh my gosh. My bad. It is dark out there, Gio. I have to go outside and fix some lunch. But the smell in my house is driving me crazy, and I can't find what the smell is. I think it's old food. You know, when you cook in the kitchen and the smell stays in your house. I think it's that. My husband cooked some chicken the other day, and the smell is still lingering in the house no matter what I did. I done cleaned the kitchen upside down yesterday. Like, I done cleaned everything that was in that kitchen, and it's still not going away. Someone told me to boil lemons. Don't mind my hair. Get down. I keep telling you about standing on that furniture. So someone told me about doing lemons, boiling lemons and stuff. Yeah. Yesterday I was craving gyros, and I actually ordered it, and I took several bites of it, and I had to stop. I couldn't continue to eat that thing. But I'm hungry, but I can't stand food in my stomach. Like, I'm so hungry to the point where I could eat, but as soon as I eat, I have to throw up. It's just like really bad morning sickness, like really, really bad. I've never had morning sickness this bad before. Never. All of my morning sickness has always been mild compared to this baby. It's just ridiculous. And don't get me wrong, I don't mind. My husband does a lot of stuff around the house. You know, I try to stay on top of things like laundry and the dishes and stuff like that. But the mere fact that if I'm standing up for longer than 5 minutes, I feel dizzy and nauseous, and I have to lay down. And I'm just like anxious to get to the point where I'm not feeling like that anymore. And I want to figure out what the smell is in this house, because it's ridiculous. But yeah. But anyways, I'll update you guys in a little bit. You too. I love you.
Hi.
I love you. I love my bookie. It's my little buddy. He stays with me throughout the day. Now that Daddy's at work.
And Jason enjoying.
Yeah. Now like Daddy's working.
And Daddy too.
Crazy hours, because
and
we are.
Too, Mommy.
Yeah. We are in the process of paying off my car.
Hi.
Alright, get down. Nobody wants to see your legs. Get down. We are in the process of paying off my car. And our credit cards and stuff, so that we can have more money to get down. Stop. We can have more money. Relax. We can have more money to purchase, because what we were being qualified for is not gonna afford us to live in the county that we want our children to.
Mommy.
we have to
I put water in
pay off my car.
Not in.
Okay, mommy's speaking. We have to pay off my car. Right. We have to pay off my car. Another account that we have, and the credit cards, and that should get us where we need to be. Come down. Stop. And stop acting out. Yeah, so anyways, I'm gonna show you guys something really cool. It's like really, really cool.
Hello.
Alright, I'm gonna show you guys something really, really cool. If you see our pond back there, that is green. I don't know why it's showing up green. I don't know what they put in it or what, but it's like really, really pretty. Like so pretty. So yeah,
In the duck.
I just wanted to show you guys that. It's so pretty, guys. Just got back from the store where Gio pushed the what did he shove up his nose? A jelly bean. He shoved a jelly bean up in his nose. I'm like panicking. I'm like, I don't want to have to be taking nobody to the hospital right now, but I went to the grocery store to pick up dinner because I want to make the kids some actual real dinner, because ever since I got pregnant, the smell of food just, even right now, it's really bad, but I have to, because I'm spending way too much money on takeout food and it's just not worth it. So I'm just gonna cook them a nice dinner. I think I'm making salmon and potato salad and vegetable for them. So I'll probably show you guys what I'm making. So anyways, stay tuned, don't go anywhere. Yeah, okay, so I'm gonna show you guys a little grocery haul that I went and got. Giovanni, stop the crying, the unnecessary crying. So I got bread over here for the kids, especially Jaxson, because he goes through that like it's nobody's business. His little fruit snack over here. This was free. This was free. This was free.
This was free.
And
That was free.
this was free. This was only $1 and it's still good. Like it's, they just marked them down. They're still good. That was $1. This was $1. It's a big old thing of watermelon that I'm gonna punish in a little bit. This was $1.29. Not bad for. Hey.
Yeah?
I'm gonna turn off the television if you guys are not watching it. This is for my salmon tonight, as well as this is for the potato salad. This is for the potato salad. This is the vegetable they're having with their salmon, and this is for potato salad. This is, as I said, this was free. So this is like a dinner kit that they give you. It's like a program. So you get a free, the salsa and stuff I couldn't find, so I just kind of left it. But you get a free salsa and a tequila sauce, I think, and the tortilla chips. Not bad. So I love Harris Teeter. So if you have a Harris Teeter, definitely check them out and see if they have any kind of programs or stuff where you can earn, you know, free dinners or free meals. So yeah, not those, but this. So yep, let me back up a little bit so you guys can see. And I only paid $12 for everything else. So there's 4 boxes of mac and cheese back there for the children. Like if I don't feel like cooking, I can easily whip that up and make it for them. So yeah, but everything else is just dinner for tonight, because I am cooking right now. So yeah. So this is the salmon I'm using tonight. It's the what is this? Pier 33 salmon, skin on, boneless, gourmet portion, heart in a heartbeat, something, value pack, and this is what they come like. So this is what I'm gonna be cooking the for children for their dinner tonight, and yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that. Okay, so this is how my my salmon, how I cook my salmon. So I kind of like just sear it at the bottom, my onion and the vegetable on top, and I'm just gonna cover it and let it cook for 20 minutes or so, or whenever it's done. But yeah, got my water boiling over there. Dinner is all done. I forgot to show you guys the finished product, but here it is. I'm in my bed eating it because, yeah, I'm just that lazy. So the salmon and the potato salad, yeah. Yeah, so we're just eating dinner by ourselves because I hate my hair. I need to take it out.